Foodex I've never been to before. I saw it online the other week. I saw there was quite a lot of people talking about Foodex, and I thought if we don't come, you don't see.
We're looking to network with new people, so you can actually see the machines hands-on, see how they work, talk to people. So yeah, just see them in motion really. Yeah, get a good feel for it.
It's really great to see all these big machines and remember what the food industry really is all about.
I believe that it's important to come to an event because you get more of a hands-on feeling of what the products and technology is, and you get a chance to talk to real people rather than just a dry internet dialogue.
It's definitely nice to see the machine working and to see how the equipment works. It's always having something in your hands is always better than having it on a screen, for example, or written on a prospect. So definitely cool to see that in action.
Definitely better to come hands-on, talk to the person that you're going to be doing the deal with, and actually see the things that you're going to be purchasing.
I think it's important for people to take time out of their busy days to be able to learn what's coming down the track, what are the trends that are happening longer term, to be able to take their learning back into their company and perhaps change some of the things that they're doing.
In the breadth and scope of supplies that are here and interesting technologies, there's lots to learn. So, it's not just a commercial opportunity, it's a learning opportunity.
It's important to take time out just to see what's there and keep up with new innovation. Very important to get out and see what's there, see what's new. If you don't move with the times, you're left behind.
It's a bit of an eye-opener. You see things, there's things that take me by surprise and, things. It's just good for everyone to have a look round to see every aspect of it.
It's worthwhile taking time from my business because I may pick up something, I may pick up 6 things, I may pick up nothing. It's still worthwhile coming along to see things.
I think it's important to visit exhibitions and meet people in person. There's nothing better than that human connection, and every show I go to or everything that I do that's like this, there's always one person you meet or one thing that you see, or sometimes a lot more than that, but it can really help with building your network, but it sort of gives you that fire in your belly as well.
I'd recommend lots of people come to Foodex. I didn't think the show would be as big as what it was, and the show is very large and it caters for lots of people, not just butchers.
I just think that if you're looking to upscale or looking for new innovative ways to move your business forwards, then it makes sense to be able to come and speak to industry leaders.
I'd recommend anyone particularly the meat trade that I'm in, to come along to Birmingham at this show because there's so much to see, not just in the manufacturing, but other ideas that other producers are doing. So it's well worth coming along to see.